Chapter 16, Resign Employee. In this chapter, you learn how to handle employee resignation, calculate prorated basic salary, process paid leave, unused leave. Okay, before we proceed with task 16.1, there's a note there. Mr. Wolverine has tendered his resignation letter. His last working day is on 19th of April. So his unused annual leave shall be converted into paid leave in his final payroll. So for task 16.1, we need to record the resigned employee. So to record the resigned employee, we have to go to the payroll, and then after that go to the employee and employee maintenance. Okay, so here you need to find which employee that want to resign. Mr. Wolverine. Okay, so you go to the edit button. Okay, and then you need to assign the resign date for the employee. So you go to the employment details, and then you scroll down and go to the resignation date. Resign date here. So resign date here you put in 19th of April 2020. Okay, so after you're done, you can just click on the save button. Okay, so that is for the 16.1. Now we proceed to the next task, 16.3. So for the 16.2 is the prorated salary setting. So under the prorated salary setting, you need to go to the tools and then company profile, and you have to go to the contribution and payout setting. Okay, so in this setting, you need to change the number of days prorating salary to all days in calendar. So you already did, your company already set the days in prorating salary is all day in calendar. So after you're done, you can just click on the save. Okay, so now we do for the next task, which is task 16.3. 16.3 is to process payroll. To process payroll, you need to go to the payroll management and then process payroll. Okay, so now it says that delete all the previously processed payroll for April. So this one April, delete. Okay, and then this one also I need to delete. Uncommit first, and then only I delete. Okay, and then this one also delete. Okay, so after delete all for April, I need to process the second half payrolls of April for employee Wolverine only. So I go to the new payroll process here. Payroll type is second half, month is April. Okay, and then the employee is Wolverine. So I choose Wolverine and I click on the process. Okay, so the payroll was created. Okay, after that you just click continue, and then you go to the details. Next is to figure out how was a prorated basic salary being calculated. So now you can see, okay, the basic salary that Wolverine get is 2216.67. So here you can see prorated salary days not work is 11 days. Okay, so Wolverine resigned on 19th of April. Okay, so it will be calculated based on the day that he's working only. So if previously, okay, let's check. If previously, okay, how the prorated salary be calculated. Okay, if I check at the Wolverine, okay, you can see that the basic rate is 3,500. Okay, when I go back to the process payroll, okay, the days of not work is 11. So what you can do is, just now 3,500 is for the month. So the calendar setting just now we already set as all days in calendar. So what you can do, 3,005 you divide by 30. We have 30 days in April. So in one day you got 116. Okay, so 116 you times by the 11 days, which is the Wolverine not work. Okay, so the amount of days not work, okay, you need to minus out with the basic salary. So the basic salary minus the days not work, 1283, you will get the 2216.67, which is the basic salary here. Okay, that's how it actually calculated, right? Okay, so that is for the payroll process for the Wolverine.